New year, new resolutions. Whether it's mastering the basics or reaching fluency in the language you're learning, now is the perfect time to plan your language learning goals. Today, I'll walk you through 5 powerful strategies to help you set language resolutions you'll actually stick to this year. First, let's start with a quick self-assessment. Take a moment to evaluate your progress. Are you satisfied with your language skills? Have you been as consistent as you hoped? If there's anything you're not happy with, ask yourself why. Were there any obstacles in your way? What could you do better this year? By understanding the reasons behind any setbacks, you'll be able to avoid them this year and reach your language goals faster. So reflect on your progress, identify the obstacles you've been facing, and plan ahead. Next, break your goals into manageable chunks. Studies show that setting 30 to 90-day challenges is way more effective than year-long resolutions. For example, if you commit yourself to studying during 3 months and learn 10 words per day, at the end of those 3 months, you'll have learned 900 new words. Shorter time frames keep you motivated, prevent burnout, and help you achieve real progress without feeling overwhelmed.
One simple but powerful technique is the chain technique. Here's how it works. Grab a calendar and put an X on each day you study your target language.
Oh, and talking about keeping your motivation, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, pause this video right now, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of the language learning tips and techniques we share to make your life easier and help you progress faster. Done? That's great. Let's continue. So place your calendar somewhere you'll see it every day to remind yourself of your progress. This visual motivation will help you stay consistent and build long-lasting language habits. The aim is to turn that language learning habit into something that makes part of your daily life, something that you do without thinking, just like brushing your teeth. In his book, The Power of Habits, Charles Duhigg explains that you need a signal and a reward to turn an action into a habit. So start with a signal, like I mentioned before, hanging your language learning calendar somewhere visible or placing your language notebook somewhere you'll see. Pair this with a small reward, like having a cup of coffee and a piece of chocolate after studying. After 30 days, this new habit will feel like a natural part of your day. To succeed in language learning, focus on what truly matters. This means prioritizing your language learning goals before other tasks. Try a quick study session in the morning, reviewing your flashcards or listening to language podcasts while having breakfast or while you commute. A pro tip is to create an event in your calendar app to receive a notification. For example, on Google Calendar, you can easily create a recurring event and receive a notification every day. This way, you'll make a commitment with yourself and receive a reminder. Needless to say, this tip will completely change the game and help you be consistent. Remember, it's better to do fewer things well than to take on too much and feel overwhelmed. So keep your top priorities at the center of your day. Lastly, embrace deep work, a concept from Carl Newport's book. Dedicate focused, distraction-free study sessions to really make progress. Short bursts of concentration will help you learn faster and retain more. By practicing deep work, you can make the most of every study session and push your language skills to the next level. And there you have it. These are your 5 strategies to set and stick to your New Year's language learning resolutions. With these techniques, you'll be celebrating a huge progress in your language learning journey by the end of the year. Take it one step at a time, and remember, consistency is key. So what is your language goal for this year? Write it down below in the comment box to make it more concrete and to commit to yourself, and also to inspire other learners out there. Let's make this year the one you'll finally reach your language goal. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.